I'm project manager for solar lighting project in Qamishlo, KRC. In the context of improving services in Qamishlo city and to ensure security and safety in the city, we as the KRC, Kurd Shred Crescent, in coordination with the Qamishlo municipality, with supporting of our friends the Barcelona municipality, we started to implement a qualitative project, solar lighting project in the city. The project took 9 months and have 3 phases. The first phase designed the pilot area and target the main streets in the city and exchange experience with Barcelona municipality. The second phase to rehabilitation the lighting pole and remove the old lamps. The last phase to install technical rooms and install the lamps. The new lamps. Besides of implementing the project, we as KRC and municipalities in Qamishlo, we got a new and qualitative experience, solar lighting, to improve our city. We would like to thank a lot to our friends for supporting always Barcelona municipality AMB. Thank you.